welcome to today's the what? The 9th, not the 20th, one of them. So I'm already on the road today. I'm all powered up. I'm still preparing for my menses. My boobs hurts like wow. So I've just gone for looser training wear, and I'm just going for my normal walk. I'm not really into speed today. I'm just doing something gentle, just to keep my body active. So yeah, I'll hit you when I get to Science. Yes, I'm using the school bus to Science Road. If you've not seen the beauties on that road, watch my previous videos and see the views. Good morning. And enjoy from the views out there as well. So I'm at Science now. I just got to Science. Yeah. So I'm walking all the way back. Yeah, just by the library. New administration. I'm walking down. I think today I want to talk about endurance. Yes, it's not the easiest to do, but it's one that pays a lot. You need to learn to endure. Today, I think yesterday I couldn't walk out because yesterday I had something to do outside Cape Coast, so I had to travel a bit yesterday, and I got back in the evening, so I couldn't do much. Yes, but then today I had to bounce back, and I'm more closer to my menses than ever, so my whole body feels some way. Honestly, I can remember quite so. But then I think little is better than nothing at all, and so yes, I had to just pick myself up and then just come on the road. So I'm just on the road at the moment, walking, and you can see me sweating giddy. Even though I'm not going too fast, I'm just walking a bit slow. I'm really sweating because my body is in its own state as well. So yeah, a little endurance is good. Discipline would keep you always doing what you're supposed to do, but if you don't want to endure a little, you just quit it as much as possible. So yes, today I was really contemplating using the shortest route back, or really going my normal route. My normal route is a minimum, let me say, an average of 4 kilometers. But today, when I came out of the room, the way I was feeling it, I almost did short. But then something was like, just endure a little bit more and then just get it done. If you're going to do this, you better do it right. So yes, that's what I've been up to today. And that's for the walk talk session. Learn to endure. It always gives you good results. Yeah. I think my tummy is already doing better. Like you can see, it's going down a bit. I used to have more stuff here, but I think it's reducing. So that's on the good side. And I think I feel more comfortable in my body. I'm not yet there, but I think I'm seeing some sort of improvement. I don't know if you saw my face when I started. My face was very chubby. Now I took quiet because when I grew big, you see it all around this part of my body. So I think, yeah, if you keep up the good work, you get the good results. And that's what I'm doing at the moment. So I'll walk the rest of my journey back. So yeah, I'm going to go straight and then back to my end. So I'll link up. This highway vibes. So yeah, I'm on a little break because my menses is in, and it's not the best time to working out. You don't want to stress yourself too much, and even if you have to go very light. So I have enough work already, so that one I want to adapt to it. So yeah, I'm just going to be away for like the next 5 days or 6 days. Once I'm done, I'm heading back on the road. More filler, more vibes. So then we're going to put a pause on the couch and then we continue afterwards. Ciao, ciao.